Hi guys, so this is our first night on the boat, and actually the waters came down. It was like pouring like cats and dogs. You can see
Hurricane
right
winds.
there. Yeah, hurricane winds. That's how much rain. And if you can see the waves, but we're safely docked. And let me show you around real quick. Actually organize our boat, and as you can see, our V-berth and V-berth right here. Let me turn the regular lights so you can see we're ready to go. Yellow bags for safety, food, and then our head for guests. We're all ready to go and packed. My honey is here. And there you go. This is our galley. As you can hear the winds in our bed. And listen to this. This is the waves hitting against the boat in the back and the aft. That's how it's designed. Okay, so and this is our head with a shower. But anyhow, we're doing great. And I'm not sure, honey, how fast were the winds?
I would say somewhere between 40 and 50 mile an hour winds.
Yeah, so we had literally 40 to 50 mile an hour winds. It was...
Boat was rocking good at dock.
Yeah, boat was rocking. So that's part of our journey. Enjoy, have fun. We are whooped. Peace.